Hello, boys and girls. I'm on this server from Gbus or Gbus or Jebus or something like that, and I have a full quantum enchanted, and you guys wouldn't believe how many enchants we have here. But me and my friend Alex, we have an ender farm for enchanting, so we collect mob juice and enchant. Anyway, this video is gonna be a quick tutorial on how to change the password doors or for computer craft. So here we have a little place that I made, but I'll feature that later. So I don't know about you guys, and I've seen someone really good at it. I'm not that good. When you press this button, you try to go through the door, and you sometimes I get stuck. Like I press it and I'm like stuck here, and it closes, and sometimes it just doesn't work. Maybe it's lag, maybe it's not. I think I'm doing it kind of okay right now, but the thing is that I don't like how long it takes for this button to work, or the amount of time. I kind of want to have like a few more seconds to move on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this off, and I'm gonna use a computer. Alright, so for this computer, it's gonna be easy. Basically, we just need to send a redstone signal to the door to keep it open. So I'm just gonna start showing you guys how to do it. You go into Lua, which is the language that you're gonna use, and then you can put like lines of code in this place. So to send a redstone signal, we're gonna use rs, which is redstone. You can also type the full redstone dot set output, and then inside this we're gonna put the side of the door, so it's on the left side of the computer, and then we're gonna put true or false if you want to put the redstone on or off. So if I hit enter here, this door should open, and yeah, it did open, and it's gonna remain open because this thing says to true. So if I said, you press up key to go up. If I set this to false, it will shut the door down, right? So that's pretty easy. So now I'm gonna exit Lua. I'm going to exit Lua. Oh, forgot the parentheses. There we go. And then I'm gonna clear this. And first of all, the computer. This is like putting dir directory for the ones who use MSDOS and stuff. It just lists directories. I can go in there, cd, change directory, rom, and then directory, and then you can see like programs that are there. Anyway, that's another thing. So what first thing you need to do on a computer so it remains with the programs and stuff, if you break it, you have to label it. And for that you do label set, I'm just gonna put like door 1, door 2, whatever. It doesn't really matter. So I set the computer name. Now it's gonna remember the computer even if after I break it. So I have 2 more computers here, and they stack and they say computer 2, right? So I already set the label for this one. If I break it and pick it up, where did it go? Oh, probably I did pick it up. As you see, it has a name down there, and it doesn't stack. I was looking for pape. So if I put it down and type ID, we still have the same name. Alright, next step. We're gonna make a program. So we're gonna edit a program called Open. It's going to be really simple, just for starters. So whenever I type open, what is it going to do? It's going to send a redstone set output on the left side. True. And it's going to delay a little bit, which over here is called sleep. So I'm going to make it sleep 2 seconds. And then I'm going to turn it off, of course. And then if I tell open now, it'll send that signal 2 seconds and it will close. If I want to edit again, you can go edit, open, and then go to that 2 and change it to, I don't know, 5, something more long, so I can go in even with the lag and everything. See, it takes forever. That's a good thing. Alright, maybe now we don't want to have to run open all the time. Maybe you just want to like set the computer to start and then press a key or do something and have it open. So for doing that, we're gonna have to edit a startup file. Or I can just copy that open one, but I'm just gonna start again. So on the startup file, we have to have a continuous check all the time. So we're gonna do an endless loop, which means while, and then I have to put a condition here. I'm just not gonna put a condition and say while true do. This is gonna repeat forever. And when you have loops like this, you have to put some kind of delay. So we're gonna put some sleep. Zero, 0.2 or whatever. So it's gonna start repeating this thing all the time. Now we know what we want to do. We want to set and okay, that's what we want to do, but then we need an event to trigger this. This is gonna start repeating this all the time. So in here we need to decide what type of event we want to do. So I'm gonna comment this out. This is how you comment single lines so they don't affect. And now I'm gonna run an event trigger. Alright, so what kind of event I want to do? Maybe, okay, I'm gonna put an event. So for this one, we're gonna do clear the screen, of course, and then we're gonna print something on the screen. Call press. So I right click. I want to go forward. I guess just W, right? Let's do W. Press W to open door. Now we're gonna do a local event, whatever. We're gonna do a OS pull event. And the event type is going to be a character. So that's how it is. So I know it's kind of getting complicated, but pull event basically is just going to jump into something that happens. So like if there is a timer tick or there's a mouse click or something is gonna pull an event, and there's many types of events. In this case, we're gonna do a character if we're pressing a character. So if we're pressing Shift or Command or Control or whatever, that's not gonna work. Only if we press a character is gonna pull this event. And the event has several parameters that are gonna be stored in these two variables. So the event type and the parameter. So we're gonna go and say if the parameter 1 is equals, you put double equal just to make a comparison. So it's gonna return true or false. If you put just one equal, it means that you're assigning the value. So to compare, you do that. So it's equals to W, then I'm just gonna go ahead and print opening, and then after a then we're gonna have to put an end. So you see, this is called concatenation. This print goes inside this if and goes till this end. I need to put this if and this end inside this. You see, so we have a loop from while do, and everything should be inside that. If you feel that this computer thing is laggy, it's not laggy. Basically, all the keys that you send, they have to go to the server and then come back to your computer. So that's why it's laggy. So all this that you see is actually being set real time on the server. Alright, so after doing this, yeah, it's gonna check if it's W and it's gonna print opening, and if it works, then it should restart again. When it finished doing this, it's gonna go back again here. So we're gonna save it. So you press Control to access the menu, and then you just press Enter. So Control Enter, pretty quick save, and then Control right arrow to go here, and then Enter, and you exit the program. And now you see we have our open program and our startup program. Startup works as soon as you start up the computer, so reboot. And we have an error. In line 3. Let's see what was that. So 1, 2, 3. I guess this one doesn't like clear. Okay, we're gonna put term clear, which is terminal. See if that works. Reboot. There we go. Press W to open the door. If I press W, it says opening, and it keeps going down and down. That's not good. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel the program. To terminate a program, you have to press Control and then T, both at the same time, and it terminates. Okay, so we're gonna, I guess every time I clear the screen, I want it to go back to the same place that it was. So up here, before it prints this, I'm gonna set term set cursor position to 2,2. Cursor position is basically the number is the coordinates in this screen. So this is 1 1, this is 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, and this is 2. You know, it's just like this. But actually I'm wrong. This is X. This is 1 1 1. This is 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1, and then this is 2. And so by doing this, I'm saying put this cursor, this blinking thingy, put it right here. And then it's gonna write this, and that's gonna be repeating all the time, so it's not gonna go bouncing back and down. So next thing we want to do is maybe have an escape button or something. No, I kind of like it like this. Okay, that's for now. Anyway, on this server there is a protection, so if I haven't trust anyone, they're not able to even use the computer, so it's fine. That should be working now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it one more time. You can just type the program I need to reset it and press W. There you go. You see? It's opening the door. I'm gonna terminate it and go edit again. And take those comments out so I can actually work on it. And before this print, I kind of saw that the print was kind of printing right on the edge of it, so I'm just gonna have to do another set cursor position. Let's put it like right in the middle. Okay, so turn that set cursor POS. Oops. And what would this be at? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So around 17, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, let's try that. 17, 10. Remember to save the programs. Press W, opening, and it should close the door and check this off. Awesome. Alright, that's the program. I still have a few more minutes. So what I'm gonna show you guys is a really cool thing. We're gonna upload this program because I don't just want it on this computer. I want it on that computer, and I want it on another computer over there, and I want it on every single door that I have. So what I'm gonna do, and I have another door over there. Maybe I want it there, maybe not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to have this program called Startup be uploaded into Pastebin. If you guys type Pastebin here, you see you can actually put files and get files, and you need a code and a file name. Okay, so we're gonna Pastebin put startup, and it's gonna connect to .com. You can actually go in your browser to the pastebin.com and create an account and have your own little programs there. So basically what this is it's put all the text that was on the startup, you put it on this file right here. So if you guys want this program, you can actually just go ahead and download it. All you need to do is type this pastebin get df3q blah, blah, blah. Let me just type it in real quick in another screen. I'll write it down. Okay, so it's been written down. So I'm gonna leave this here. Reboot the computer. Boom, goodbye. That works right there. And okay, now I'm gonna go over to this thing, and this one, as you can see in ID, this doesn't have a name. So remember, first thing, set the label. Okay, after set the label, we already made a program. We worked so hard in making it. Pastebin get, and then we're gonna get that code. Remember the code that we talked about before? And be sure to type it, to write it down, because there is no way to get it back. I mean, you will have to like upload it again if you want to get it back. There you go. This is the thing. You remember it was caps? Well, we don't really need the caps, so just enter. And yeah, I was not good. I'm sorry. I need a code and a file name. So after the code, we're gonna put in file name startup because we want the computer to start up every single time here. Connecting it. Yeah, succeed. Found a startup. Reboot. Goodbye. There it is. Press W to open the door. Press W. Door opens. Magic. Now remember, the computer was set to open the door on the right. So it sends 5 seconds to the right. And now I can go to all my my door computers anywhere and set the same thing. So just here, boom, press W, exit. I can go in there. Awesome. So let's do another one here. I kind of like it. I kind of want it on this side, but then it's gonna. No, it's fine. This side is okay. So maybe just a black one, just to kind of change colors a bit. Same thing. Label set door 3. It doesn't matter if you set the label same as before, another door or whatever. You just call it doors. It's fine. Paste being get. We're gonna type that code, and then startup. Connecting. Succeed. Download a startup. Reboot this thing. Boom. Press W to open the door. Door opens. Door closes. So I don't need this no more. How is that? Whoa. Sorry. Jesus, I even own the door. Okay, so where did the door go? I think it went down here somewhere. And these are my little turtles. Where did that door go? That was a bad move. Bad move. Okay, I'll just go make another door. And later, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make some signs like that. Where's the door at? Oh, there it is. It was just glitching. Okay. Of you guys who wonder, I'm a mod here on this server, so I have option to fly, as you guys can see. But if you have a quantum armor, you can just press the what is it called, that button over here, controls, let's see, it's called boost key. I have it to the middle button 3 because I have a Mac. And then so if I press the boost key and jump, it's gonna jump all the way here. So if you guys want to set up like jumps like that, it's pretty cool. And there's Mr. Creeper. Yeah, that's how you kill a creeper. So there we go. Press W, door opens, and door closes. Awesome. Hello. Jesus. Okay. You can actually click in the computer from behind too. See? Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope you guys learned something. Remember, you can actually use my pastebin code, but it's easier if you guys type whatever you guys want and program it to do whatever you want. See you next time.